Hello everyone, this is Sam from Dateku Studios. In this video we have quick introduction of grouping in 3D Studio Max. I maximize my viewport and create few objects, clone it and more. Alright, you could select your objects, even single object, and go to group menu and group. Give a name, level 01, OK. Now these two objects grouped together, which includes any transformations like move, rotate, and scale, something similar to link. If I go to group again, I could make it ungroup to destroy the group, or open. If I select open, as you see, bounding box are pink. Now you have your groups, but you could edit it and group close to reclose it. And you could make subgroups too. So I select these three boxes here too. Group. I set level 02 and hold on the Control or Command key and select other group. And again, group, level 3, and finally all objects, group, and level 04. If I bring my Scene Explorer and display with hierarchy, as you see, we have several levels here, and here. If I select my group, which the last group is level 04, and go to group and open, as you see, only level 4 opened. So you could edit level 4, but you cannot edit another groups. So again, you have to go to group, close it, and if you need, you have to go group, open, select the group, again group, open, and so on and so on. But in last few versions of 3D Studio Max, we have a new features named Open Recursively, which means it will open all groups levels, doesn't matter 1 level or 10 level. So if I select that, all groups now opened, and you could edit every single object. And if I go to group, sadly we don't have same option for close, and we have close one by one for each level. Also, it works for ungrouping. If you ungroup one level, you have to select them again and ungroup, and again select and ungroup. Instead of that, you could select explode. Explode will destroy all groups, which number of levels, it doesn't matter. So once you click on explode, you don't have any group anymore. Allow me to undo. Note that if you open some groups, something like that, while you open the group, you cannot ungroup the top level unless you close this and now ungroup the high levels of the group. And lastly, we have attach and detach. I delete these objects here. Allow me to create 3 simple boxes. I select the first box, group and group, doesn't matter the name, OK. To attach others, simply you could go to the group menu. To attach an object to the group, your object have to be out of the group. So select it, go to group menu, attach, and then click on any group you like, something like that. Now we have 2 objects in a group. So select third box, group, attach, and click on this group. And now we have a group contain 3 boxes. To detaching, you have to first open the group. Actually, opening the group, it gives you ability to editing them. So first open the group, select any object or objects you like, then go to group and detach. Now I'm selecting the group, close, and the middle box, it's not contain this group. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.